My name is Daniel Lawrence. I am the Senior Advanced Manufacturing Engineer at Magna CCUK. My main responsibilities are the development of new manufacturing processes for the customer products, taking from an initial concept through to production handover. That includes writing detailed technical specifications, working with suppliers and internal stakeholders, managing timing and budgets, resolving any sort of technical challenges that occur along the way. What I enjoy most about my role is problem solving. Every project has its unique challenges. Trying to make something work, anticipating any challenges that might occur both throughout the introduction of the new processes and for the lifetime of the products as well. What makes someone really effective in this role is the ability to manage projects, sort of mechanical reasoning, technical knowledge, people skills. Yeah, being able to multitask and change, things are always adapting. So I think this is a great job role for a young person because you get to see your ideas come to real life on the factory floor. We're always working with the cutting edge of technology, so any developments in automation and robotics, we always try to take on board. Also, no 2 days are the same, constantly working on new challenges, new people, new processes, so yeah, there's always an opportunity to learn.